everyone, my name is Danielle, and welcome to another episode of Board Game Bakes. This week we're going to be featuring Santorini, which is a fun, usually 2-player game, but it goes up to 4 players, which kind of has a chess feel, and as you go you can add more and more levels of complexity. We're going to try above the basic version and do some of the gods, but just like the actual game, we have all our pieces that we learned how to make on the Tuesday video. So we have our top board, we have our base, and then we have level 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have our 2 sets of people. So the first step in playing the game is that we have to put the board on here, so hopefully it won't break. Okay, step 1 is complete. We've set up our board.
What?
I was really tempted to set up the board and light it on fire.
Oh, I was actually debating about that. If you'd let me, just light it on fire at the end.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, once again, this is my husband Ben, and he'll be joining us for playing, and he's going to have a great time.
It sounds like I'm like chained down here or something. I get brought out once in a while to play a game, and I have to have a good time.
You got to cut marshmallows too.
I also did cut all the marshmallows. Alright, so we're going to play with the gods because, you know, this is only like the first time she's played and the second time I've played. Why not just use the gods? It'll be great.
Yeah, I don't remember the last time I played this, but I feel like it's more entertaining.
We're not in
that
it
way.
to win. We're just in it to stack things.
You watch the other videos where you just lose.
We just lose anyway.
Maybe I would pick one, yeah.
Yeah, you pick one. Let me see what it is.
I got Artemis.
Which we're gonna look at the rule book and see what it does. Oh, this looks complicated. Maybe I'll switch.
The goddess of the hunt. Your worker may move 1 additional time, but not back to the space it started on.
I'm just gonna switch that one out. That's not. This is a Friends version. They have expansions. We're not gonna play with the expansion ones. There we go, regular one. Let me see here. What's that guy do? Before my workers move, I can force my opponent worker to the space directly to the other side of my worker. Oh. And make her hop over me. That's easy enough to remember. Alright, now we take turns putting our little people on.
I think for this version...
It's the younger one.
I thought I thought they were more godlike.
Oh, well, sure, that's true. But last time you made it older first, so this time it can be younger first.
Okay. Now then we have to be next to each other, right? Just 2 places on the board?
Just 2 places on the board.
Oh, but 1 there.
Just remember, if you can't move and build, that you, I think you put 1, then I put 1, but it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna...
There you go.
Okay. Yeah, sure, we'll just go on opposite sides there. It'll be cute.
Okay, so now we move first and then we place.
Mm-hmm.
So I can do 2 times if I want. 1, 2, and then we just place. It just has to be somewhere touching you, right?
Yep, somewhere around you. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Alright. Wait, you move 2 spaces?
That's my power.
Oh, you get to move 2.
Yeah.
Oh, now here's the dilemma. Do I play this like it's chess and care, or just build and see what happens? For time's sake, I don't think I'm going to care. So, move, build.
Move, move. Next level. I feel like it.
Already. Okay.
This is gonna go well.
Oh, I gotta double check. Is it before or after? Before I went. Okay. Here we go. That's some ground level.
Okay. Bloop, bloop. I want that. Apparently, you can't do it outside sound effects.
Just bloop blooping your way over. Oh wait, that's the second level. Use one of these.
Oh, I get a third one.
Mm-hmm. Now just think, if I left that alone, you could just win.
I could just win.
But instead, I'm gonna go bloop and cap it. Oh, look, it's so cute!
Oh, I like it. Okay. Bloop.
What you got going on over there?
Nothing. Paying no attention. It's behind the marshmallows.
Mm-hmm.
I'm all suspicious.
Mm-hmm.
It just has to be next to any of them, right?
What do you mean?
So if I move this much, then I can still build here.
I'm pretty sure it has to be the worker you move. And we can go down as many as you want.
Bloop.
Just can't go up.
Hmm. I think we're getting the workers more dirty by touching them with our powdered sugar fingers than by actually.
It's okay. We'll just wash them off. It'll be fine.
Bloop. Bloop. I think that's diagonal, so I could put it there if I want.
Yeah.
Why not?
I think since you get to move twice, you just won. A double move is nice.
It is nice.
Guess I have to do this, I think. Right back. Very good. You can go on.
Can I move diagonally?
No.
But now I can.
Pretty sure you can't move diagonal. Oh yeah, you can move diagonal. Sorry. Yeah.
So 1, 2.
Yeah. Oh. I guess technically if I could move diagonally, could I just have moved up there?
Yep.
And won?
Yep.
Yeah, I thought it was orthogonal.
That's why I came over here, because you could have won.
Huh. Well, that's frustrating. Huh. Hmm.
You can make sure I'm not doing mine wrong, but mine.
Well, you can move twice. Work or move one additional time, but not back to the space it started.
You just switch me if you want, and then.
I know. There you go.
Well, I feel like I can't leave you alone over here.
Okay.
But I don't want to go there. Second level. My first sound like pain.
It does, doesn't it? Actually. Ah, that'll do it. Yep.
Don't think you could get to me.
Nope, can't stop anything there. I don't know how long it took you to play with the other piece you had.
Once I feel like I go to offense instead of defense.
I'll just throw you over there for giggles. Oh, yeah, that would have been much more powerful diagonals too. Oh well. Go here and finish my little square of 4 people. Up you go.
Hey, from
I probably.
dun 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 dun.
Just be a running theme of you winning, it'll be good. Yeah, you did it. Proud of yourself.
Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Let us know.
You didn't know it.
It's usually what you do when I'm saying this.
Oh, okay.
This time it's your fault.
You already said most of it.
Please like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know if there's any other games that you'd like to see featured in the show.
Can I light it on fire?
I need the pictures first.
Stay tuned. Okay, we've taken our pictures. And it's marshmallows. What do you do with marshmallows? You set marshmallows on fire. And I really want to see how well this lights up. We took safety precautions. Obviously, don't try this at your homes.
We do it in our home.
Yeah. It'll be fine. It'll be really pretty. I see the problem is I don't even know if it'll catch
I
fire.
think you made it. When I figured this, I think you probably had a blowtorch.
Aww. So unlike other real, since they're real marshmallows, the fakeness of them doesn't have them instantly ignite. They just roast all happy like. This is just depressing. We'll be back again. Or matches don't succeed, kitchen butane torches will.
Went from a channel playing board games to a pirate channel of burning things.
Why are you standing back? You act like I'm gonna ignite the world. It's just a
You're
butane.
gonna ignite this little world here.
Well, just look at this.
Instant s'mores.
This is the real benefit.
Those apparently burn like quicker.
See, I can't even light it on fire. But I can. Make it all tasty. See, when you're done with your Santorini game, all you gotta do is just caramelize it a bit, and you have a tasty s'more snack.
Yep, you got the...
It's gone from lighting them on
Right.
fire to entertainingly caramelizing them all. Here's the difference between a homemade one and your store-bought ones.
Don't do this with your game.
Don't do this with your game, or I would say even store-bought ones, because those will probably just instantly ignite. But look at this. It's all happy, and I can't stop myself. Okay.
There you go.
Brownie.
No, you're supposed to have the s'more. Ooh, it's kind of all this.
Just tear it off. Ah. Well, I'll take your bit you left.
That was going to end poorly.
It's going to be great.
Deliciously.
I'm just booping.
Cheers.
Cheers. See you next time.
Bye.